Hello everyone, it's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations. Wanted to share this beautiful line by the name of Compositions by Blue Fern Studios. We have the collection in stock in the 12 by 12, the 8 by 8, the journaling cards, as well as the ephemera pack. And boy, is this line an absolute beauty. I'm going to flip through really quick and show you what the collection includes. The pages are all beautiful, multi-layered collage in great colors, including some lighter shades like tea stains and coffee, but then you have some that have a lot of punch of colors such as this, which again draws on those reds and those greens and those blues that we will find in yellows and umbers that we'll find throughout the pad, including wallpapers and so much more. And these pages the names are gorgeous. So each of the 10 pages has a name, and the names are things like prelude and aria and allegory. There's also virtuoso and harmony and collaboration, and then metaphor, libretto, and narrative. I mean, those are just great names for these pages. And of course, not only do we have all these amazing colors and great collaging, and I mean, it's a neutral collection, yet it also has a lot of great texture to it. However, it's got the whole thing on it is about art. In case you haven't caught on, it does talk about including the names, of course, things like virtuoso, things like collaboration or narrative or prelude. So it's got a lot of different art twists to it too. So I will let you take a look at this, and I'll be back in a bit with some information, so don't go anywhere.
Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and a shooting star so vibrant, you have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way, scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, nothing but blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time. It could be the best of days, it could be the best of times. Why do we need the troubles? Why? Why do we need the troubles? Why? Nothing's ever in your way, scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, instead I'm thinking of strangers, I'm thinking of haters, I'm thinking of laying down for a nap right here on the pavement. I'm thinking of payday, worried I won't make it. First I think of a delicate thing, and then of it breaking. I'm thinking of habits, yeah, all of the bad bits. Wish there was a secret map to the good parts, and I could have it. But mama says bad days are necessary. The only way to notice a good day, and I guess it makes sense what she necessary, but I'm hoping for good days.
Now let's take a look at the beautiful ephemera die cut shapes pack, which of course includes as well this beautiful packaging. Again, we do not throw those away. And all of this great pre-cut ephemera, including tickets, art supplies, of course, great sentiments, frames, and so much more. So as we have seen, the journal pack, the journaling cards, include 2 of each, and they are also both front and back. So you can use one side and then the other to create pockets and to insert into pockets and make ephemera clusters or smaller journals. Of course, enjoy them on your layouts as well if you are a scrapbooker or a card maker. And the 8x8 includes 20 sheets, so you get 2 of each. The 12x12 includes 1 of each, so 10 sheets. So yes, beautiful collection. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to know if this collection speaks to you, if it's something that you would enjoy using in your crafting. And which is your favorite? Do you like the 12x12, the 8x8, the journal cards, or the ephemera die cuts? Because it is really hard. For me, of course, I had to get 1 of each because I just couldn't decide. I needed it all. And oh my goodness, yes, absolutely a beautiful collection. As I mentioned, those colors are absolutely stunning for you to be able to use. And still, if you have other ephemera that you want to add to this, other images and die cuts, it will go so well because the color base is very neutral. Yet you still have, great pops of color here and there. It lends itself for it to be, used with greens, with yellows, with reds, with blues, with browns, with just about any color in the palette, including black. So yes, or even burgundy, right? Or some mauve. So there's just a lot of ways that you could go with these. Again, save your packaging because the packaging is beautiful. We could totally use that, as well as this one right here. All right, well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick walkthrough compositions by Blue Fern Studios. Again, if there's anything that you've seen here that you are interested in purchasing, don't forget that we have 2 online stores ready to serve you. Not only this, but tons more Blue Fern and many other paper line companies, stamps, dies, tools, ink pads, and so much more. Visit spectrumartcreations.com or Etsy Spectrum Art Creations. Also, make sure you join us for our live sales right here on this channel. So make sure that you subscribe because every Saturday we come live and we share things and sell them live. You can shop from the comfort of home, never leaving, and yet being able to see the product. And sometimes we even do demos and have games and giveaways. If you are on Instagram, make sure that you please follow us on Instagram as well. And if you are on Facebook, make sure that you join our Facebook group, a great place to share your makes and be inspired. The name of the group is Spectrum Art Creations Friends. It is a closed private group, so make sure that you answer the questions when requesting to join membership, okay? That way we can approve you right away. In addition, if you like classes and workshops and exclusive content, make sure that you check out Spectrum Art Creations Academy, or SACs Academy for short. It is an academy online where you get online courses, again, from the comfort of home. And sometimes we go live and we craft with you. So make sure that you go ahead and join today for all of these perks that you see here, plus so much more, all at 1 monthly flat fee. So there's no hidden surprises. You pay 1 monthly fee and you get access to all of the classes that are active in the academy already. So make sure that you check that out and join today. I will leave a link at the end of this video. And of course, make sure you subscribe. We hope you do. We hope you have enjoyed this, and check out this next video as well for some additional crafting ideas. We have lots of tutorials and videos. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on that next video. Bye.